Hello guys, how are you today? Great, I am also good. Guys, today we are going to talk about something we use every day, even outside. Yes. Okay, can you guess what is it? Let's go. For example, we have small dog and big dog. We have short building and tall skyscraper. We have pizza and salad. Guys, can you guess which dog is biggest? Which building is taller? Which, for example, food is healthier? Okay, in our sentences, we have used what? Some comparing. Okay, it means we are using what? Comparative degrees, or also what? Superlative degrees. For example, if we are comparing two nouns in sentences. For example, the dog is what? Bigger than cat. For example, look, we have compared what? Two nouns. Or also, for example, the skyscraper is the biggest in the world. For example, we use superlative degree. So guys, let's generalize our topic. Okay, we are learning what? Degrees of adjectives. Okay, there are 3 degrees of adjectives. What are they? Positive degrees, okay, superlative degrees, and the last one, comparative degrees, and the last one, superlative degrees. Okay, positive degrees is just describing a noun, just noun, and it is also called simple one and what? Base form. The second one is what? Comparative degree. Comparative degree is comparing what? Two nouns before I have mentioned about. Then superlative degree, there is also comparing, but 3 or more nouns. Okay, 3 or more nouns. Okay, for example, when we are taking one adjective, for example, smart. Okay, smart is positive degree. But how can we use these adjectives in comparative and superlative degree? Okay, how can we build this form? Okay, guys, we need some suffixes. For example, er and est, but d plus est. Okay, in comparative degree, if our adjective is containing one syllable, we are adding er. And also in superlative degree, if our word is containing one syllable, we are adding est, but we have to use the article. Okay, let's go. For example, smart, smarter, and the smartest. Okay, did you understand? Okay, but guys, we have another way of forming comparative and superlative degrees. We have mentioned about this one. Er and est are our main suffixes. But guys, if our adjective is containing one syllable adjective that end what? In e, we are dropping e, and before adding er and est. For example, when we are taking safe, okay, we are dropping what? E, safer or safest. Did you understand? And also we have just one rule. If our word ending a consonant with vowel before it, double the consonant before adding er and est. For example, big, bigger, and the biggest. Big, bigger, and the biggest. Okay, but the last one, and it is the important rule, if our adjective is containing two or more syllables, we are using more and the most. Okay, in comparative degree, we are using more. In superlative degree, we are using the most. For example, when we are taking interesting, the word interesting. Okay, interesting is what? Positive degree. More interesting is comparative degree. And the most interesting is, okay, what? Superlative degree. Now, guys, I think you understand our new topic, our new grammar topic. Okay, for example, let's say just some sentences about this one, guys. Wait. For example, my phone is what? Lighter than my tablet. Okay, Okay, we have to use light in comparative degree. Okay, I have said my phone is lighter than my tablet. Okay, guys. And also I want to say if in our sentence we have than, okay, it means we will use what, which degrees, comparative degrees. Okay, don't forget. But and also if we have, for example, in the class, in the world, I don't know, in the, for example, in the world, in the class, we are using what, superlative degree. Okay, because it's generalized our what sentences. For example, then I say apples are healthy than what, chocolate. Okay, we are using comparative degree. Yes, apples are healthier than chocolate. Okay, guys. Now, guys, I have what, quiz for you. I have quiz for you. You will open your tablet. I have sent to you this what, quiz. Okay, you will open. Okay, let's go to do our what, our, okay, quiz. Okay, let's go. Firstly, okay, my house is what, bigger than yours. Why did we use what? Okay, we have than in our sentences. Very good. Now the second sentences. Okay, very good. Okay, dogs are very good. Dogs are usually friendlier than cats because we have than in our sentence. And also why okay, can you see our world, okay, end with y? Yes, and it is what, it is changing I and plus er. Yes, did you understand? Okay, then guys, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Did you say in the world? We have in the world in the at the end of the sentences, and also the article. That's why we have to use what, superlative degree. Very good. The second sentences. Okay, in our quiz, today is the hottest day of the year. Okay, did you say hottest day? We have the, and also okay, we have double consonant and plus est. Did you understand the grammar rule? Very good, very interesting. Now guys, now we are going to use a website called Padlet. Okay, it's like an online wall where you can post your ideas and see what your friends wrote to. Okay, first of all, I will give you a link. Okay, I will share my link with you. Please click on it. Okay, did you see? And you will see a page that says comparative and superlatives. Okay, then it looks like a board and plus sign at the bottom right. Then click on the button plus to make your own post. Okay, in your post write 2 sentences. No, write 6 sentences. 3 sentences with a comparative and 3 sentences with a superlative, and you can also add a picture if you want, and click publish, post when you are done. Now, okay, if you have finished, we can read your sentences and I will check your knowledge about this grammar rules. Okay, I will assess your knowledge now. Okay, if you have finished, we can start. Okay, we can start. Let's okay, let's go. Your sentence: Sarah is taller than her brother. Very good. Yes, the sentence is okay, true, because you used what, comparative degree and also double consonant plus er. Very good. We have what, than in our sentence. The second, this book is more difficult, useful than Latin. Okay, guys, you use comparative degree because okay, we have than and also 2 or more syllables, and what, okay, then he is the fastest runner in our class. Very good. In our, and also fast, superlative degree. Okay, I liked your answers. That's why we have finished our lesson. See you later.